This video shows you how the extended ECM business scenario for SAP Enterprise Asset Management supports the corrective maintenance process that is running in SAP S/4HANA. What happens when something gets broken and must be repaired? The process starts with a plant worker who detected the issue and requests no maintenance. The plant worker specifies the technical object that is broken. He requests maintenance and he describes briefly what is the issue. Like here, the conveyor belt is worn out and must be replaced. And finally, you can add a photo of the conveyor belt to give the people that are working in the back office or later the technician insight into the current situation. And finally, you submit your maintenance request. The maintenance planner orders now the repair of the malfunction. First of all, he finds the new maintenance notification in his daily bucket. After reviewing the maintenance notification, the maintenance planner decides something needs to be done. So he generates the orders to request the repair. In the maintenance order detail view, he can see the data that are stored in SAP. Under the Related Apps button, you can find the maintenance order business workspace. And you have here also the data that is synced from the SAP system to extended ECM. You can use this data later for searching documents. Under Documents, you find a well-defined folder structure, and under Related, you can even jump to the Maintenance Notification workspace and see the photo that was initially added to the maintenance notification. Navigating back to the Maintenance Order workspace, you can now add the procedure or the work instruction for the technician. What needs to be done to get this repaired? And now his job is done. Now the maintenance technician repairs the issue and reports. The maintenance technician may not have access to SAP, but in the Smart View Web UI he can also see the maintenance order. Here's all the data synced from SAP, and under Documents, he finds the work instruction and detailed information. After reviewing the procedure, everything is clear what must be done, and he can start his work. Under Manuals, he finds additional manuals of the conveyor belt or the function location where the conveyor belt is installed. At the tab Related, he can even jump to the Equipment Business workspace. And here he can see where the equipment is installed. After repairing everything, the technician can add a final report so that the people in the back office can do the follow-up steps and plan the next orders.